One of the major issues with most AI copywriters is that you're unable to verify or fact check the content that you're creating. This can lead to misleading or incorrect content, which can hurt your SEO efforts or hurt your credibility with your audience. And that's where Katteb comes in. Katteb is an AI copywriter, but they're focused on creating fact-checked, verified content within their AI copywriters. So let's go ahead and give them a try to see if they live up to this claim. And also, I'll be showing you how you can get a lifetime deal for Katteb. Let's go ahead and get started. Once you have a plan for Katteb, this is what your dashboard will look like. You'll be able to see all of the different templates that they have. They have a variety of short and long form templates. And as I mentioned earlier, they have a specific fact-checked AI writer, and they also have a credible AI writer template, which creates content based on credible sources. And they also have some non-factual AI assistant that will just generate content for you without giving you any sources. So as you can see, there's a variety of different templates to choose from that really differentiates Katteb from most other AI copywriters. And just before we get into the full review, I would like to let you know that there is a lifetime deal for Katteb. It is on AppSumo right now, and it's only $39 for the tier 1 plan. So for $39, you'll be able to get all of the features included. You get the AI original article writer, the Facebook and Google Ads generator, and you get 15,000 words per month. If you want to upgrade, you can get the license tier 2, which is $78, and this gives you 30,000 words per month. And you can go all the way up to $390, which would be 150,000 words per month. So as you can see, you can definitely save a lot of money in the long run by getting this lifetime deal. You wouldn't have to pay monthly, you pay one time, and you have access to this very, very smart and powerful AI copywriter. So if you would like to grab the Katteb lifetime deal, I'll leave a link in the description below this video. So now let's go ahead and actually start using some of these templates. Let's use the Katteb Plus. So this is the fact-checked AI writer, which also generates very high quality content. So once you click onto that specific template, the first thing that you need to do is describe the type of blog post in which you're trying to create. For this example, I'll be writing a blog post about how to start and monetize a podcast in 2023 as a beginner with no experience. We're going to leave the audience to the USA. For point of view, we can leave it to first person. We want it to be very personable. Type of content, we can do a paragraph, which would be a normal sort of paragraph style blog post, or you can choose between a listicle, how to guide, product review, testimonial, FAQ, and email. So let's do a paragraph style type of content. And for this example, we won't be including a high quality photo. So let's go ahead and generate and see the type of content in which we can expect when using Katteb. So here's the first paragraph in which we get back from Katteb. As you can see, it doesn't generate the full length article. It generates paragraphs by paragraphs. And that's because it's really trying to give you references and really include information that is factual. So as you can see here, for this paragraph, we have references. So if you click the references, we can see the references for that specific paragraph. So we can see exactly where they were able to get this information from for this first paragraph here. So this is a nice touch, but I do think that it would take a little bit of time for you to generate a full-length article this way because you have to generate paragraph by paragraph, which can be a little bit tedious. Since we've generated the first paragraph, I want to do a quick test here and see how much of this content can be detected by an AI detection tool. So let's go ahead and use originality.ai, and we're going to paste this content in here. We'll also check for plagiarism just to see what is being shown here. So here are the results. As we can see here, it is 99% detected by AI and only 1% original. In terms of plagiarism, I don't see the actual plagiarisms. Oh, here it is. So it is 0% plagiarized. So that's good. It's not plagiarized, but as you can see, it is being detected by an AI detection. So that's kind of a bummer because, of course, if you're generating content, you would like it to be less detectable by an AI. So it would be nice if they have a feature which allows you to create content that's less detectable. So now let's go ahead and generate an outline for this specific blog post. So I think to do so, you have to describe what you're trying to create. So I just went ahead and changed the description to create an outline for a blog post on how to start and monetize a podcast in 2023. So let's go ahead and now generate that and see if we're able to get an outline. When I was trying to generate an outline using this template, it didn't really work well. So I would recommend using one of the other templates that's specific for headline generation. So let's head over to AI templates. Let's head over to all of the templates here. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you will be able to see the blog outline template. And this is where now you can create your blog outline. Okay, so we went ahead and entered the input, which is how to start and monetize a podcast as a beginner in 2023. And as you can see here, we got a nice outline that we can use. So let's go ahead and copy this. So why start a podcast, choosing your niche, creating a format, selecting the right equipment, and so on. Now let's head back over to the content in which we were creating here, and we'll paste this in here. And I guess to generate the blog post paragraphs, you would then go ahead and copy that specific section and then go ahead and generate that paragraph. Okay, and as you can see, that paragraph has been generated, so you can copy that and paste it into the right section of that blog post. So looking ahead to 2023, starting a podcast is becoming increasingly popular among individuals and businesses. So I guess you would just go ahead and then repeat that process to go ahead and generate your full length article. But as you can see, for everything that you generate, you do have references included. So that is a really, really nice touch. I think it does allow you to create more credible content. In my opinion, I think it's a little bit tedious and it would take a lot longer for you to generate a 2,000 or a 3,000 word blog post using this method. But the fact that you're able to get references and include citations does make this a very valuable tool. In addition to Katteb Plus, which is a template that we just used, there's a couple of other templates which allow you to generate longer form content quicker on Katteb. So as you can see here, there's a long form article template. So in order to create longer form content with Katteb, you can use this bar right at the top here on your template. Go ahead and enter the topic, click generate full article. And then the next step would be for you to choose your article topic. So you can actually go ahead and build your outline based upon whatever subtopics you like to include within your article. Once you've built your article's outline, you can then go ahead and attach images to the content, or you can go ahead and click generate. And this is what your content will look like once it's generated. You'll be able to see an intro and all of those subtopics which you chose on the previous section when you were building your outline. And that's an easy way for you to generate a 2,000 word article using Katteb. So as you can see, there's a variety of different templates which you can choose from when using Katteb. You have the ability to choose fact-checked or credible sources when creating your content, but you also have non-factual AI assistants that allow you to generate content a little bit faster. So if you'd like to give Katteb a try, I highly recommend either getting a free trial on their website, but if you want to get the lifetime deal, then grab the lifetime deal from AppSumo before it does expire. So again, if you'd like to grab the lifetime deal, I'll leave a link in the description below this video. As always, I hope that you enjoyed today's video and I hope that you learned something new. If you did, don't forget to let it be known by giving us a big thumbs up and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, stay well.